Hey guys, today what I have here is my Hunter 1912 Mission ceiling fan. I got it around Christmas of last year as a present to myself because I kind of felt sorry that such a beautiful fan like this that was new in box and just been sitting there for around some months. It was on Marketplace, as you can see. So I decided, oh, what the heck, I'll just get it. I prefer the Casablanca one, but the Hunter one's just, it's not the Casablanca, but it's fine. I believe these fans were sold from 1998 to 2013. That's when I first and last saw them in any of the Hunter catalogs. However, this example is from the 24th week of June 2004, and I believe this was made by Hunter as a less expensive version of the Casablanca Mission, because this fan was introduced shortly after Hunter bought Casablanca in 1996. But there is definitely some obvious differences. Most notably, its pull chain, and it's a Hunter, but also the fact that instead of having the hang true system, it has the easy hang or AVT system, or however you call that. The way the blades are put in is through, I believe it's called rotor slots instead of blade holders. It's not as ornate, and it doesn't have IntelliTouch, but I'm still pretty glad to have it. Obviously, as you can see, the pull chains are not original to this fan, and you may be asking, well, where did these chains come from? And it did not come from a Monte Carlo. These are actually custom 3D printed pull chains me and my brother made out of our 3D printer. These are prototypes. Of course, we don't have a beige filament or a filament necessary for it, so we're gonna have to just stick with it. Here's the light. We didn't really like, or I didn't really like the original pull chains on the fan, which made me make some new ones off my 3D printer. And personally, I think they look great on there, even though they're kind of mismatched. So the light has two sockets, holds 40, right now it's holding two 40-watt GE bulbs. And it produces a beautiful glow. It really does. So as you can see, here it is. Let me get right under it to show you it better. Really nice glow. Although it's more of a night light than an actual light. So there it is. Turned up to low speed. And what I really love about the pull cords, as you can see, when you pull them, it's a really smooth transition. And by the way, about those, I am selling those pull cords off eBay in case anyone wants these custom-made pull chains on there. Not these versions, these are a little mismatched, of course, but the actual production versions. I believe this fan also has a 172 by 20. I'm not sure if it's an Air Max motor, but it performs kind of like an Emerson stack motor or something like that. It's a really powerful motor. But of course, my opinion may be a little biased since my testing site's around 6 feet above the ceiling. And this fan's a 54-inch diameter, it's a 14.5 degree blade pitch. Right now, I believe the blades are cherry on this, although you can switch it from cherry to walnut. And this thing draws 74 watts and 0.6 amps. So just look into it. We're gonna kick it up to medium speed. I really do like this fan, but one thing I don't like about it is the Easy Hang or AVT system, mounting system, whatever it's called. The fact that it has no mounting bracket is just absurd. I find that kind of stupid, along with the fact of when you're installing the down rod, it doesn't like connect from one part of the down rod to the other via like a safety pin or something. It just like screw it in or something onto the metal, which I kind of find a little unsafe. So of course it's gonna wobble a little bit. Just fix that. But again, still really nice fan. All right, kick it up to high speed now. Of course, it's a little shaky. High speed's pretty powerful, as you can hear. If you hear like some air whooshing, you know it's powerful. Blew some of my papers away while doing some research on this too. Here's the airflow. It's pretty powerful. As you can imagine. I'm just gonna turn on the light here. All right, here's spin down. It's kind of shaky. I have to eat. The struggle's real. Overall, really nice fan. I'm really glad to have one, although I do prefer the Casablanca Mission a little more. But I hope to collect more fans like these, especially really beautiful, unique fans. And yeah, there isn't really too many tags, so I'm not going to really show that. So that'll be all for the video. I'll see you in the next one.